Hey guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Goblin Wolf Riders from Avatars of War. I'm a big fan of Avatars of War. When I saw them expanding their range of goblins, I was very excited. I grew up playing old Warhammer Fantasy battles, and these goblins, actually their entire range, has a very Warhammer Fantasy battles aesthetic to them, which makes me very happy. Here I've printed 5 Goblin Wolf Riders, and all the little parts that go with them. They actually have quite a few little parts and very delicate too, but if you're careful, you should be fine with them. I printed these models out using my Elegoo Mars Pro 2, using Soriatex navy blue resin. The fur detail on each of the wolves are very defined. You could easily pick them out individually. When you download these STLs from Avatars of War, you'll get 6 wolf bodies, 6 wolf heads, 5 goblin torsos, 10 goblin heads, 6 weapons options, including one with a bow, 6 shields, 5 left arms and 5 right arms, 1 banner, and 2 hands that are pointing. You will get pre-supported and unsupported versions of these STLs, but I had no issues with the pre-supports, which is what I used, and the supports came off very nicely. I didn't have much issues building these models. The arms were slightly fiddly, but I got them there in the end. I'll leave you with a quick montage of the building process. Avatars of War are doing some amazing designs. I really love how they came out. These miniatures are making me feel very nostalgic about the old Warhammer Fantasy days, where me and my brother would play massive 4,000, 5,000 point battles that would last an entire day. I still have my entire Orcs and Goblins army from Fantasy Battles, and if you would like me to showcase them, please comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave links to Avatars of War's Patreon, My Mini Factory, and Tribes in the description below. Please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to see anything on my channel, please leave it in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.